Pro Farmer wrapped up their crop tour and came out with corn and soybean yield expectations on Friday. Their numbers are lower than the USDA projections. 182.7 bushels an acre versus 188.8 on the corn, and 53 bushel beans versus 53.6. There's talk about an upcoming interest rate cut following the Fed meeting at Jackson Hole. Hello everyone, this is Pat Lentz, Central Iowa Land Specialist with High Point Land Company. Today, let's talk about Benton County farmland and why this market continues to remain strong. Benton County boasts an average CSR2 of 85, which is indicative of very good soil quality. This high-quality land brings with it high land values. In 2024, the county saw an average sales price of $12,781 per acre, which breaks down to around $150 per CSR2 point. As we look into 2025, sales in Benton County have been far and few between, but when land does hit the market, it's commanding a premium. And so what's driving this continued strength in values? Well, it really comes down to tight supply and high demand. Benton County farmland rarely changes hands, and when it does, there's a strong pool of local buyers ready to move quickly and decisively. That competition, along with long-term appreciation we've consistently seen, continues to support today's high prices. If you've been thinking about selling land, or if you're just simply curious about what your land might be worth in today's market, I'd love to have a confidential conversation with you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions. We'll see you soon.